In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to Webflow. Now, before we delve into the specifics, it's important to note that adding custom code is a feature that's reserved for Webflow's premium plans. This means that if you're currently on the free plan, you might need to consider upgrading to a site plan that supports this feature in order to take full advantage of custom coding. Once you've confirmed your plan supports custom code integration, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your Webflow site settings. You'll find this by clicking on your project from the dashboard. Once you're in the settings, locate the menu on the left-hand side. From the list of options, you'll want to select custom code. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll have the opportunity to input your custom code into two specific sections, one for code that runs in the head of the page, and another for code that runs before the closing body tag. It's likely that many of you have specific needs for your code, such as embedding analytics scripts, customizing third-party integrations, or perhaps tailoring the look and feel of your website beyond the standard capabilities. The head section is ideal for styles, meta tags, and any scripts that load before your page content. The code you place here will load before everything else, making it perfect for adjustments that need to be read before rendering any part of the page. The custom code you add to the body section is typically for scripts that need to load after the page has been constructed, for instance, dynamic content. Now, while setting up your custom code through the site settings is straightforward and comprehensive, for those more nuanced or page-specific requirements, Webflow's editor also provides another way. You can use the Webflow editor to add a code embed element directly within your page. This is particularly useful if your project requires adding HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to specific areas on your site. Simply drag the code embed element into the designer, and from there, you can add your bespoke scripts or markup. Keep in mind that whether you're adding site-wide custom code in the settings or embedding code directly onto a page, Webflow's hosting plans are designed to optimize performance, so your added scripts run smoothly without interference. As a best practice, always test your custom code in a controlled environment before making it live. This ensures your updates perform as expected and don't unintentionally alter the functionality of your site. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can enhance your Webflow site with custom code, effectively expanding its functionality far beyond the default offerings. Remember, while custom code offers great flexibility, it's important to maintain a balance, ensuring that any additions continue to support your site's accessibility and performance. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.